Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with a reveal of a couple of small purchases that I made on my most recent visit to the Aurora outlet. The first is I want to do a bit of a color comparison because this beacon card case is actually in the color orange. I've already shared this on my channel. This was a D. Blair inspired purchase as a result of the Dooney Bourke Carrington Triangle Cosmetic case. So I had a request from DJ King, none other than DJ King, to show the color comparison between the orange, which is this one, and it's not showing up true to color here on camera. It's actually once my hand is in there and it kind of color corrects, you get a little bit truer color, but it is truly an orange color. But let's take a look at what's in the bag and do a bit more color swatches. Okay, so this is the color coral and this is the orange. The orange is actually looking a bit yellow on camera, but I picked up dandelion and it's looking almost neon on camera. So with the yellow in between the coral and the orange is now actually showing up true to color orange. But the coral is looking a little bit more pink. So I think a lot of that has to do with the undertones, you know, in the colors and the way that it's pulling. Okay, so there's the spread. The yellow is now truly picking up yellow. The orange is orange. The coral looks coral. But now this is actually bone and it's appearing to be a little bit pale blue in color. So I'm gonna just see if it will color correct on its own or if it's gonna continue to look blue. There we go. So that is bone in the beacon card case. This is coral. This is orange. All of which pair perfectly with the Dooney Bourke Carrington Triangle Cosmetic case. And the last color is the dandelion. So, thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, I do hope that you find something that feeds your Dooney addiction. Take care.